Inubo ko. Ayan, si baby. Second infusion. Laki na ng tiyan ng baby. Ito ang baby namin, si baby Hopi. And si mommy, naka-infuse na naman ng iron. The mommy's having infusion, baby. It's for you. Look, this one. Okay, then after this one. Then after this one. Okay, baby. Okay, so now it's like this. It's very fast now. Fast drip.
So we're finished already.
Good job, mommy.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. It's
Smile. Paano mag-smile lang nakamask? Okay. Next bottle. Change. Next bottle change. With sister. What's her name, sister?
Asha.
Asha. With sister Asha. Thank you. Look at the next bottle. Check. And the mommy. And the baby. Oops. Alright.
Pizza.
Okay. Wala nang laman. So, pwede na. Tapos na. Tatawag na si Mami. Hopi. Tatawag na si Mami. Ayan na. It's alarming. It's saying bag empty. Okay, Mami, press.
Relax ka na.
Bag empty. They will arrive now.